Okay.
Guys, can we...
Namaskara everyone. Thank you so much for having us here.
Alright. Hi, welcome to Bangalore. First of all, the metro is there in the movie's name. Did you not take the metro? Because we have been waiting for 1.5 hours.
Sorry for being late. Yeah, hello. Yeah, we actually asked if we could take the metro.
Yeah.
But then it was such a last minute request that I think by the time we figured out which metro from where to take, we would have been even later.
Oh.
So we might actually catch one now
Okay.
on the way because we have to go to a mall somewhere.
Yes, you have to go to Whitefield.
Yeah. What is the best line to take, guys? यहाँ से Whitefield?
Purple line.
Metro?
Metro
It's
is
faster?
energy, I've been telling you.
Better by road or better by metro right now? So you all will tell us from where to go? We are not joking, we're serious. Which? Mark the road, huh? Just guys. Yes. We'll do some marketing also over there.
Beautiful.
Promote the metro. Yeah. So thank you for that. We'll take that.
Beautiful. Okay, how are you liking Bangalore so far?
We just came in the morning, but I've been to Bangalore many times and I always have had a great time in the city. Obviously, the weather is so unparalleled.
Yes.
So, and this morning I woke up, I thought there was a storm. It was so windy and nice. I mean, weather, food, everything. I've always had a great time in Bangalore. So,
Filter coffee.
Yeah, filter coffee on the way. I need a coffee. But
Lovely.
unfortunately, today is just a quick, we're here just for a few hours. So, we're trying to get one meal in on the way.
Okay, what would you like to have then?
I think we're thinking about dosa.
I like Pesarattu also.
Pesarittu. Wow, beautiful. Although you said dosa in the trailer, it's actually dose. We call it dose in Karnataka.
My apologies. I hope you accept. I'll go and dub it now when I go back.
No, it's all okay. It's all fine. All right. So Bangalore is a major part in the movie, isn't it?
It is actually. The film starts in Bangalore.
Our first interaction is in Bangalore.
Is in Bangalore and the movie starts in the city. So it was only fitting for us to come here. Okay. So it was only fitting for us to come here as our first city on the tour. So we're very happy to be here, starting off.
Have you learnt any Kannada so far?
No, but you can teach us.
Okay. Sarah, you did a very beautiful Namaskara.
Yeah, I did, right?
Yes, you did. Can you also add Namaskara, Hegidira to it? Hegidira is how are you?
So, Namaskara Bangalore, Hegidila.
Yes.
But with the flow.
Hegidira.
Hegidira.
Hegidira. Correct. Oh my God. 10 on 10.
Namaskara, Hegidira.
This is it, just speak quickly. Namaskara Bangalore, Hegidira.
Something
Chanagiri.
like that. Hey, what did he say? Oh, guys. But you're not used to it or what? Is the
Traffic
thing.
in the city is, people always talk about Bangalore ki traffic, but मतलब आज आकर पता चला, it was not good.
Yeah.
It was really
Peak time.
we would not move only.
Now, Bombay also has traffic, so.
Not like this.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You don't come here often. We forgive you.
Thank
it's all
you,
right.
thank you.
Okay, but coming back to Kannada, what do you like to eat, Sarah? I want to know from you. Apart from Pesarittu, what do you like to eat here in Bangalore?
See, I like Pesarattu, I like that ghee puri idli, I like dosa,
Nice.
I like malga puri chutney, I like ghee, I like sambar, I like everything.
Do you want to say, I like ghee puri idli in Kannada for us?
How do I do that?
Okay. Nanage
Nanige
ghee puri idli
ghee puri idli
tumba ishta.
tumba ishta.
Now one go.
No, it's fine.
No, I want to do it.
No, I will give you the cue for it. Nanage
Nanige?
kish
Kish.
tumba ishta.
Tumba ishta.
That is me. You just said that you like me. Thank you.
Very smart.
Very nice.
Very
Smooth.
Nice.
All right, okay. So we have a lot of questions here. People are sizzling, not just with impatience, but also with questions. Can we have the first question? Anyone? Anyone who has a question for the